Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding your PlayStation Stars level from other people on PlayStation 5. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open Users and Accounts. From here, select Privacy, and then view and customize your privacy settings. In Privacy Settings, scroll down to the last section, PlayStation Stars, and select Who can see your PS Stars level. Choose whether to show or hide it here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.